No, 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 no. Do we need to come out to you? Okay, okay, alright, alright. We're coming now, we're coming now.
Yes, sir. Top of the morning. It's wake to wake, back to back. This is the lifestyle, man. It's your boy AK Herbs, also known as Cartus, also known as Tarzan.
Like a glove.
There we go. No way. Come on, man. What the fuck am I doing wrong here? Pull her as she is, and hopefully we don't f this thing up. I don't know what the fuck's going on right now, man.
Aye, aye.
My phone's up there.
Yes, sir.
You did it, man.
Jets, bro. Squeezing my buttholes.
You're so good at this.
See you later.
What time does this one need to be out on the water?
In 25 minutes. Drop it in, it takes them like 5 minutes to get around. They still got to gas it up. We're towing like $400,000 right now.
How much have you had to drink?
Luckily none today. We're good. Just a lot of coffee. Did you ever get a glassy day when you were here? But you've seen them on our Instagram, right?
I'm fairly certain you fake it for Instagram.
I just edit out the waves. Edit in the dolphin and edit out the waves. Zoe's actually a 40-year-old dude. Look, check this out.
Oh.
That's sick, so I can shout abuse at people until fuck you! But my baby truck came off the parking brake and just like started going down. Dude, I've never run so fast in my life. Can you not pull him? Yeah, you can. Jump in. Zoe, jump in. You can unhook him. I've got a bunch of captains that don't like going in the water. Looks like we have no idea what we're doing right now. Ambitious, but rubbish. I'm sure one of these is gonna go down today. Here you go, this is a shot for you. I hate doing these fucking covers, man.
It's like you're putting on a bed sheet.
Massive bed sheet that you don't even get laid in. Like a fucking blast! We are fixing the heat exchanger on the G25. I've never done one of these before, but it arrived and we have no other boats, so I have to do it.
Yeah, what's the story? What's going on with the rest of the boat?
We have 3 out right now. That one's dead. That one's not ours. This one sucks.
If you get this fixed, what does it mean?
It means Mark's a happy bunny. Bye. I'm trying to pull a heat exchanger off. I'm kind of like a quarter of the way through, but it's taking me fucking ages, man. Alright, thank you, man. Whew, that was so hard, man. I'm glad we did it.
A few moments later.
Sam, can you tell us what's going on?
Overheating issues out on the water, yeah. Mark's going to run out some parts and hopefully we can have it fixed straight away. We have a spare boat sitting here. We're going to put a boat in so the boys can swap it over and they can keep going on with their day. We're the rescue squad.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.
Managed to switch the boat around. Guests are happy. Things are switching over. We now have to go grab the other boat.
Can you fix the boat?
I hope so.
Hey man, we just ran aground in the T and we're sinking, dude. We need help.
No, 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 no.
Stags in the water, we're getting a tow, but we're taking on water fast.
Do we need to come out to you?
Yeah, absolutely. We need help, man.
Okay, okay, alright, alright. We're coming now, we're coming now. Fuck!
Right there, right there, right there.
There, man. He's never come this far in. He's right under the boat. He's right under the boat. He will not leave the T23. Look at this. There he is, right there. Yo, he doesn't even want to leave, bro. Right there. Yo, go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward.
50 hours, man. How the boat didn't make it for 50 hours? That done broke my boat, man. I can't believe I broke my boat.
Our brand new boat, less than 50 hours on it, is pulling an injector issue. And when I called up Mike, I didn't think it was a big issue, but it actually is. He's trying to work on it right now. I have no idea what to do. So he is gonna save the day, I think.
How confident are you feeling about this one running?
Oh, we good. We should be good. As long as they don't set any more misfire codes, we'll be good.